we got a little bump in the road here. I had to replace this tile, and this tile is only 2 years old. What happened was, when I was working, I cut the outlet a little too wide, so when you put the cover plate on, you sort of saw a little space, and it's been bothering me for about 2.5 years. So I pulled this tile out, which is there, and I realized, this is the unit for the radiant heat on the floor. I got the grids underneath, so in the winter I can put it on. I thought this was going to come right out. However, there's a flange here you can see, which is, I bent it in here, but I'm sure I secured it underneath this tile. And I'm not about to take these. This is a 24-incher by 12. And you can see that these are monsters, these tiles. And I put them in thinking I would never take them out. Not that I wanted to, but anyway. So what I'm going to have to do is leave this in and just cut the tile, this piece, which I cut out. I'm just going to have to trim it out here a little more. That's the only problem. It's not the worst thing, but man, I thought this thing was going to slip right over too. And this way I'll have the light, the fan, and the radiant heat. But this is whatever. I use this as the Schluter profile. These things are great, not only around doors but in corners, because you don't wind up with all that mold. And normally when you have the tile here, eventually it's going to crack in the middle, because as this thing starts to settle, it separates. So I got them on, not only do I have it on all the corners, I have it on the bottom here too. And it just makes it so much easier for the transition. Because again, you would have to put a border here, but this you bring it right down to the profile and you run it out. Same thing. They have these are inside corners, outside corners, but it works really nice. This is the walk-in shower. It works great, and it's easy to clean. But back to this project. All right, I'll put it on when it's done.